Let's take a look at some of the pieces of equipment we've included in the ERC kit to help your students explore some of the variables when looking at electricity produced from solar panels. So we've included some small solar panels. We've included the voltmeter, which we've seen, and we've included a block with an LED light with a resistor attached. The resistor is attached really so that there's an actual load on the circuit and you can measure the variables a little bit better that way. I'll show you what I mean. We have a lamp set up again, and the first thing I would suggest your students do is take a couple alligator clips and just connect to the light to make sure the circuit is working. So I have red and black coming off the panel. I'll connect to red and black coming off with my alligator clips. I will connect to these terminals, and you can see I have a light lit up here. And remember, the diode and LED only lets electricity flow one direction. So if I'd hook these up the other way, the light would not work. Great, so I know I have electricity flowing. You can use the voltmeter to see what that actually looks like. So if you hook this up in parallel, so I'm going to continue this red lead to one side of my voltmeter, and I'm going to continue my black lead to the other side. So now it's connected in parallel. Turn this on, and you can see I have voltage that I can measure. If I change the angle of my panel, my voltage changes. And if I change the distance, it'll also change my voltage. So, two ways your students can explore the effects of angle on electrical production from a photovoltaic panel and distance.